Hello friends, today I'll be telling you how can we check the assessments that are going to be sent to us, or how can we check our assignments using this app Acrobat Reader DC. It's a very convenient way to check the work. What you're going to do is you will download this Acrobat Reader DC, and this icon will appear on your desktop. Now once this appears, see here I have few assignments that have been sent to me for checking. I'll just open any one of them and I'll show you. Now, once the assignment opens in the PDF Acrobat DC Reader, this is the screen that appears. I just go on the comment section. You can see here, this is the comment section. I click on the comments. Once I click on the comments, just see the change in this ribbon that is going to appear. Now, this ribbon gives me this option of the ink pen. This is the eraser. Now, I can use this ink pen to do my work. If I just click on this, if I click on this, I can do the checking. I can click right. I can just cross the work. I can encircle the child's work. I can put a question mark. Now, this all can be done very easily by just clicking on this. And if I use the mouse, just click on this, and with the help of the scrolling pad, you can do whatever annotations you want to do here. I can write, I can sign here, I can do whatever I want to do. It can be easily done. If I want to give some marks to the students, I can do that. See here, it can be done. Maybe the writing doesn't come very nicely, but yes, the checking work can be done easily. If I'm not finding something has been done, so I click on this eraser and I can just erase whatever work I need to erase. I can start checking the work once again. I go again to this pencil, I click it, and I can scroll the work down. I see it's all correct. So I can just tick mark that yes, it is done correctly. I go on to the next question and see where the child has made a mistake. Supposing if the child has made a mistake here, so I just encircle this that this is incorrect. The answer should be K is equal to minus 27. For example, I'm just taking an example. So I write the corrected thing here and I can go ahead. Supposing I feel that yes, this child has done the work correctly and this is an assessment and he deserves full marks here. So what I do is I just click here and I write 5 out of 5. I can just give the child the marks here and the assessment work is done. Once this is done, I just go on to the save button. I click on this save here. You can see this here save. So I click on this save button. It gets saved and it's going to ask me where I want to save it. Supposing let's say I want to save it on the desktop. I just click on the desktop and I can save the file of the child that's with whatever name I want to AP assignment. So I save it on the desktop, AP assignment check if I want to write. All right. So I can save it like this and it gets saved on the desktop. So this is so simple app. With using this, I can do the checking work very conveniently. So I hope the things are going to become little simpler for you while checking the assessments. Thank you so much.